The world is at a tipping point. Pollution, deforestation, and environmental destruction threaten our planet, but together we can make a difference. Introducing Coin NTRR, a revolutionary cryptocurrency with a mission to restore and protect our environment. Coin is built on the Binance Smart Chain as a BEP20 token. With a total supply of 3 million tokens, it combines blockchain technology with environmental action to create real change. Every Coin you hold supports nature conservation projects. Together we can plant trees, clean rivers, and protect wildlife while creating a sustainable financial future. Ready to join the movement? Buying Coin is easy. Just install a wallet, connect to Binance Smart Chain, and trade on PancakeSwap. It's that simple. Coin isn't just a cryptocurrency, it's a commitment to our planet and future generations. Together we can rebuild what's been lost. Invest in nature. Invest in the future. Join the Coin community today and be a part of the change. Together we can make a difference.